Open up, vacuum seal. Trapping in the Vaco, it's a buzz down. Got it in a whole name, she's a buzz down. We don't even serve here, we just buzz down. Got my shooters on the roof, gon' make them buzz down. Trap out the bag.
Hey guys! So today we're gonna do the handcuff challenge for you guys.
We're gonna do 12 hours.
Yeah, we're gonna see how long it will last. So make sure you guys swipe up.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And turn the notification bell on.
Let's get into the video.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the handcuffs on.
Got our handcuffs. So.
Our cameraman is super funny. Okay.
Camera woman.
Oh yeah, camera woman. But, okay, because you know how people be like, you're the man, so.
Yeah, well, it's for a feminist, so.
Yeah. And these handcuffs are a little rusty, but we promise they're new. I didn't put it that tight.
Okay, because I'm scared. Well, this is too, oh shit.
It's tight, huh?
It's no going back. Hold
yeah,
on.
You can't. Oh, you're fine.
Nah, I don't know. Fuck it.
If it hurts, just go. Okay, now we're gonna bend. Yeah, you should undo it a little bit. Okay. This doesn't count, okay?
Sorry, we're one time. Okay. There. That's
still
better.
Looks tight, but okay. Okay, now we're gonna manage to get in the car through the passenger. Savannah's gonna cross over because she's driving.
Yes.
Come on, cameraman. Woman.
Come on, camera woman.
Don't get too much of the world in there.
I know. Oh, freak. Ignore all my junk.
It's not even junk.
Ow.
Ouch! Okay, so we're in the car and we'll see you.
It was actually a lot easier than y'all think.
Oh shit, my bag. I can't. Oh yeah, okay. I mean, it's pointless to take it off now.
Yeah, it's pointless.
Okay, click it on ticket.
Okay, we're gonna start driving and we're going to. We want to go to Target first.
Yeah, Target.
We're going to Target. So.
Okay, guys.
That we're lying.
Now we're about to skirt off. And we're back.
Wait.
Okay, and now we're at Target, guys. Let's go.
So we're at Target to go get things for school.
Yeah, a few decorations for our room. Sorry. Yeah, we have an apartment. Now we're casual. Y'all give us some views and we will have an apartment. Okay, the key is to try to like
Make it look like.
Make it look like we're not like wearing handcuffs, because we are. Buy a pack of pins and you lose them the same freaking day. Well, mine's only lasts like 3 days. How long do y'all's last? Comment below. Damn, people are gonna hate me.
I know, this way.
Listen.
Yeah, but I feel like there's more.
Oh, I need a new journal. Spiral.
These. The composition.
Why are they $1.50? They're like 50 cents at Walmart. Oh, look, they're 50 cents. But they're ugly.
Should we?
I mean, they're just fucking. I'm gonna get a blue one. Let's see if they have pink. Let's get matching.
I have 3 different classes, so.
Same.
Or 4, just a
Mark this one. 1, 2.
different colors. They have a yellow one. Oh, here's a black one. I'm getting black. Black, green.
Because you know what they say about black. It's a good color.
Yeah.
Take that out. No, you can leave it in. So, that boy can see it and know I'm really a fan. You took the last black one.
I know you're probably thinking that's very boring, but I swear to God, it'll get
cut out. No, it's gonna be interesting because we're gonna cut out. Okay, so now we're leaving Target. We got the goods. We got a couple stairs.
Gotta go exit right
there. We got a couple stairs. but that's fine because we're all human, okay? Ooh, the sun. Okay, so now, where are we going?
We're actually gonna go get something to eat real quick. We don't know where yet, but we'll let you guys know.
Bye.
Bye.
So guys, where are we going, Savannah?
We're gonna go get something to eat from Torchy's. Still in Mexican, or
she is. She's half black too, and I'm half
Mexican.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll see you at
Torchy's.
What the freak? Go down.
We're at Torchy's. Tacos.
I didn't know you could do it like this. I didn't know either till now. Savannah. Oh, and here it is. Yes, that's over here. Thank you. She said, fuck y'all food, okay? Yeah, I want that sauce. Why didn't you give me that sauce?
Because I guess the red one comes with that one.
What sauce is that called? Alright, I'm taking this shit off.
I'm gonna try it. Stick your finger.
Show them our food. Yeah, I want that sauce.
You can have it. I don't know if I want the sauce or want queso.
Okay. Thanks. I'm gonna try this one out.
Go ahead. You need to take these things off.
Oh, fuck. I mean, you can cut that off.
Do you mind?
Girl! You are ignorant. I love it. Why did you put queso in it?
Because it's good. You haven't had like queso and a taco. Y'all should try that. It's freaking amazing.
Okay, guys. So now we have arrived to the eyebrow place where Savannah's getting her.
Getting my eyebrows
shoot! I just shoot. Where Savannah's getting her eyebrows done. So yeah.
Wish us luck.
I don't think no one's really in here.
I don't know, but this place is nice.
Hi.
Hello. I'm here to get my eyebrows started.
What's pretty in here?
Oh, okay.
Oh, I was for our YouTube.
We're doing
I didn't
a
get you in
handcuff
it.
challenge.
Yeah.
Oh, this is inside.
So Savannah's about to get her eyebrow done. I won't get you in it if you don't want to get in it.
Oh my god, my eyebrows look horrible.
Channel, and we just have to like wear handcuffs for like 12 hours. So yeah.
So it's pretty.
Yeah, it's really difficult, especially driving. So now we're leaving the eyebrow place.
I just got my eyebrows threaded. Go, Alice!
Kobe, see I'm that raw. Hey!
Cody!
Oh shit. Wait, I wanna go. You ready? Can I do that myself? Okay.
That was so funny. Go, Dylan.
I didn't know if you supposed to swing on it or not. Go. Go. Okay. 1, 2, go.
See, that's what I want to do. Oh, crud buckets. It's too hard to get out of there. I'm good. I don't know.
What the hell was that, man?
All right, ready, me? Alice, sing it. Okay.
Woo! Yes, intro. What's up? Driving.
This is hard.
There she is.
Jump. You can't. You're stuck. No, you're stuck.
I suck.
Why would you go back down lower? What are you doing?
Where's my phone? Ew, these reek.
Alright, Alice is gonna attempt it. Backflip, backflip, backflip. Go Dylan, go Dylan, go Dylan.
Go back, go forward.
Hey!
Break her fucking neck.
So,
It's be cute. Wait,
Battle of the Be Killed. That didn't make no sense. Let me
you
Savannah.
either kill or you be killed. No,
Yes.
kill or be
Basically, winner, whoever wins, plays the other person, next person, next person, next person.
until you figure out who the champion is. So me and I was going first. Stay tuned.
Okay, anyway, we're just gonna fight each other on the beat now.
Yeah,
So this
basically.
motherfucker- Let me get on first. That's what
This is way too early.
Stop. Bad. You have an advantage. Okay, vlog. Wait. I'm sorry, I have to tell the vlog.
You're an idiot.
Ready, guys? We gotta touch on three. Wait, we gotta touch for good luck. Or you know how like people do with boxers? Like,
I'm ready.
hey, this is not serious.
That was a front foot, huh?
Oh, bad, Loki.
Alright, my turn.
That was a dive. Dang.
Damn. Goddamn kangaroo.
I want to try it.
Come on, boy, you got them arms.
I'm gonna go up in my Hello, yes, I jumped in this beanie. I'm just kidding.
Fell off a couple times. Not just joking.
What did you? Oh, it sure did.
We're
That's how you know I put in that work and Savannah didn't.
Hey,
I worked
my edge
out.
is gone, so
I'm dead. But anyway, vlog, we're ending things off here. We hope you be still. We hope you enjoyed our vlog.